Hey there, Steve. Here is your solderless, hallowed ground. Mind any dogs barking in the background. This customer wanted basically a full hallowed ground, just minus the solder spills. And I tried to do that as best as I could. There's some stuff you kind of have to fudge and work around when you don't have them to guide where the paint needs to go, but I think it looks really good. Oh, hush. Fours are always a little gummy in their movement because of paint. But that makes sense. Over time, it'll be less. This customer also wanted a much different leather. He wanted the teaser style leather that I do. That's torn up and sanded to hell. I think it looks really good for this type of glove. But anyway, let me know what you think, Steve. I'll get this out to you very soon. I hope you like it.